everybody. Welcome to episode 60 of Driving Miss Alex.
Hey folks.
We appreciate you stopping by to check out the latest episode, and I'm going to be up front with you. As I told Dave earlier, this episode's pretty boring.
Oh, now they all just clicked
No,
off.
don't. I'm just going to be honest. We ain't really been doing too much, but we felt the need to put something out there just so you guys knew where we were and what was going
We're
on.
still alive.
And that we were still alive. So I threw together this little video. It's nothing special, but it just lets you know where we are and what's been going on. So in this video, we finally got our Jeep set up for tow. So we're pretty stoked about that.
Yeah.
And also in this video,
Thanks, Eric.
yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Eric. Also in this video, we get a rig washing. And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because washing RVs in the RV world is a huge thing. It's absolutely the biggest project. It's worse than the boat ever even thought about being, for many reasons, but it's just so huge, and you have to find a spot on land
On a shady day.
With somebody that will let you use that much water. So we've been getting our rig washed out at England's Collision Center when we go out there to get our work done. But the reason why I'm mentioning this is you're going to see when we're doing the video here that they used a brush to wash the RV. And that is like a huge no-no in the RV washing world. I believe it's rule number 1 in the RV washing Bible. Don't use anything with a bristle. So you are going to see that. Don't have a cow, people who wash RVs. We know what we were doing with that. It ended up being a really great job. It was thoroughly discussed before we did the washing as to how everything was going to go down. So please don't panic when you see the bristle brush on the rig washing. Yeah, but it looks fantastic, and we were really pleased with the way it all came out. So I put it in the video. And then the last thing in this video is we had to replace some windows. If anybody's having any issues with your rig windows, you want to know how to replace a window in a Dutch Star 2019, well, you're going to see it right here in this video today.
Yep.
So that's what we got going on. We really appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the episode. I do also appreciate it if you watch it all the way to the end anyway. It's only like 7 or 8 minutes.
Short.
Show us some love, people. And if you do like what we're putting out, then I hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel. We are well on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and that was my goal from the very beginning. I'm so excited. We're in the 800s. I can see the end in sight. I'm so excited. So show us some love, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, follow us, and hey, enjoy the video. Thanks.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I
Oh, I can't believe it. We're finally leaving, and we are towing a vehicle. Well, we did it, folks. We just left England's Collision Center in Jessup, Georgia, again, because that's where we seem to be coming back to get all of our work done, because it's a doggone good place to come get some work done. And we just got done getting our Jeep hooked up to tow to the rig, and this is my first ride in the rig, towing the Jeep. I mean, I rode in the rig when we had the hurricane, and we dropped the car off at Station Exchange, and then we went to Cochrane for the hurricane. But this is my first time in the Jeep towing.
Right at the traffic light.
I'm so excited. We're on our way to our first campground. Everything seems to be going really well. Even Dave has a little bit of a smile on his face right now, I think. Everybody's happy right now. It's great. Oh, this is very exciting. Woohoo! We're only going about 30 miles, and we're only going about, what, 25 minutes or so, but this might as well be to the other side of the country for me. I'm so excited. Well, that's it, everybody. Thanks for stopping by to check out the next episode of Driving Miss Allie. I hope you found something interesting in it. And again, please hit that subscribe button. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know why that's important to me, but it just seemed like a really good goal. So that's what we're shooting for. And we can't forget to wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, don't forget, Jesus is the reason for the season, and we hope you guys all have a holiday season filled with love and happiness and family. So until we see you again, remember to be good to one another. We only have one life to live. Make it count. We'll see you next time.